This is going to be lame.
Yeah, because he is the legal one.
Oh, you got a noisy one.
That's good.
See, you can take a picture whenever you want.
I know. This one's gonna have fun.
Ed? Kind of stealing these.
All right. Look at that.
Trying to kill me. Jonathan, if I want, I can kill you with a firework, you know. I'll just shoot one of these at you.
Didn't know you were already back.
Who here thinks I should shoot a bottle rocket at Jonathan?
I don't think that's a good idea.
Oh, come on.
You're gonna do it anyway.
I was thinking about it.
Ooh, it smells like eggs over here.
Yo, if you smell it, it's like really bad. Like, ugh.
That'd be sulfur there.
Have you done all of our little ones, honey?
No.
I have it continuously recording right now, right where Jonathan is.
Come off really bad.
So Eddie, when you light him over there. Jonathan, I'm about to shoot a firework there. Bottle rocket! Ho! That was awesome.
Yeah, we used all the
Bounce it off the ground.
so I wasn't sure how they'd work with caramel.
Go, baby, 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 go.
Prepare the fire!
You did use all the strobe light ones.
Burn the bloody
Yeah.
cannons.
Light the bloody cannon!
As far as I know.
Cannon lit! Prepare the fire!
The British best is after us. Take that, you
I
Scott.
want a recording of you saying "Light the fire, light the cannon."
That is the recording. It's recorded.
I know, but I want it on my phone for a ringtone for the text tone. Light the cannon.
Prepare the fire!
Light the cannon.
Jonathan, you might want to move.
Green purple, that's cool.
Fire!
Yeah, that would have got him.
I'm choking myself with the smoke.
Let me like this.
I feel like I'm a smoker now.
Smoke is up.
Every time I breathe out, smoke comes out.
I've already got one in my hand, but we'll do
No,
that after
I
this.
mean,
Oh, good.
I just got one where they look
he said he feels like a smoker.
I'm going to fire it at the same time.
My way ahead. That is awesome! Wait!
Fuck that. Aim up. Wow. That was awesome.
It landed on my head too. That fucking hurt.
Ed, you just set up while this one's going on.
I can't do that anymore.
I missed it.
Make me face the fireworks.
I like it.
It just hit
Oh,
you.
that one's on for you, Eddie.
Fire the cannon.
I'm done.
You. Nope, there it goes. It hit right where I wanted it to.
Nice.
You just have to knock it over.
I have apparently learned how to aim a bottle rocket.
My fucking hurt. Something big hit me.
Like what you
Yeah, like something big hit me, and then everyone else is like, ah!
Prepare the fire. Fire the cannon. Fuck you. Ah, damn. I knocked the camera down.
Yeah.
Oh.
Here. This one, and then
Wait a minute.
this little.
Stand up.
Oh, you
Are you gonna get another one set up, Ed?
I got 2 more left. This one and another one.
Do they all go in there?
Ooh,
That's pretty.
That one's purple.
Yeah, I like that.
It's worth shooting. Shoot the cannon. And I miss.
That's nice. Ah, maybe not.
Fire number 2.
there's a smoke ring.
I think number 2 worked.
Nice.
Hey, Shay. Watch out. I'm going to light this and then run down the stairs.
Ugh, making me move.
Okay. Yeah. Oh,
I like this one.
This one is nice.
How to keep track of.
48 of
There's
them.
smoke rings.
It's hard to keep track of them.
What is that circle one called?
It's the 48 shot.
That was nice.
I like that one
Alright,
too.
you got these 3 little ones and this big one.
Okay, so my little
You're
one.
still recording.
I'm gonna hold on.
Oh,
to
yeah.
the fire.
Mine's really
Put them
nice.
back in the bag.
I've been recording since I started recording.
Alright, make sure Eddie doesn't have
Gnarly.
anything
I like that thing.
that he was gonna.
I know it's badass.
All right, Eddie, we've got our big one left. That's it.
Fire the cannon towards Ed. I hit it.
It did. It went thunk.
Oh damn! I wish I had that. Badass! Fire the cannon! Fire number 5. Fire number 6. Fire number 7. Where's number 7? Damn, there's my 7.
All right,
That
we
was
got
awesome.
One left for us, Ed. How many you got left?
One.
All right.
Wait, which one's that?
Hey, dude, we all got one left.
All right. So, which one are we setting off first?
This one, because he's got that treasure map one.
Yeah!
Oh, he's got that big one.
I'm excited.
This is the neon
Shay.
dragon.
Sorry.
Jonathan, I'm shooting it.
Shay, stop it, hon. Just take it easy.
Fire the cannon!
The red one too.
Fire! Aww.
You can hear the ship fall through the tree.
Ah, hit me.
And we're out.
Okay.
I didn't get a picture of that one.
All right, now we gotta lick the big one.
Neon dragon. I like the neon dragon.
This is gonna be entertaining.
This is gonna be awesome.
I hope I can get a good picture of this one.
That shoots up, correct?
On fire, huh?
I know.
Right? Let's hope nothing else falls on my head.
Hey, Ed, does that shoot up
Coffee can down there.
or does it stay on the ground?
I like that neon
I think
dragon.
it goes up.
It is.
I'd hold it to
There's our
keep
finale.
track of it.
I'm backing the fuck up.
Come on. Come on, Jen.
That's cute.
Well, when I back up, I have a bigger view. All right, prepare to fire.
I'm going to die. Awesome.
I got one.
The grand finale. I don't want to get hit. Dude, that is so cool.
I got hit here too.
I got sparked on me.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Ah, that's it.